everybody? Crypto Smith, Top Flight Fitness in the building. I have a little eating day video for y'all. And I had this epic cheat day yesterday. I had donuts, candy, all the bad foods. But yeah, today, it's back to business. Today's a low carb day. If y'all didn't know, I'm a carb cycler. I have days where I have high carbs and days where I have low carbs. Basically to speed up the process to beat this challenge. And yeah, let's go see what I eat. Y'all, first meal of the day. Got my Folgers French roast coffee already in the pot. About to pour it in. Alright, I'm using my Visalis protein shake powder. This is not your typical protein shake. It has fiber in it, and all the vitamins and minerals and all the good stuff. Also, it has fiber in it. A serving has 5 grams of fiber, for 2 scoops in here. By the way, if you are interested in promoting this or trying this stuff out and getting this stuff for free, the link will be in the description. That's my creamer. I'm gonna pour this strawberries Fetal Power in here with the antioxidants. Got that in. I'm gonna twist it, shake it up. I'm gonna add the cinnamon, what I have left in here. Pretty much out of that one. Got some more in here. And I have the stevia for more sweetness, since it's a low carb day. On high carb days I use regular sugar, but for now I'm using stevia. And I'm gonna use as much as I want, because it's calorie free. I don't care about all the hoopla I've been hearing about stevia. Got that in. And there you have it, the fibrous, protein, and caffeinated drink. The keys to fat loss, or 3 of the keys to fat loss in this one meal. Meal number 1. Alright y'all, meal number 2. 2 plates of chicken and a plate of green beans. Meal number 2. And yeah, you don't have to eat carbs to be full, as you see right here. Number 2. Alright y'all, almost done doing my cardio. See you on the next meal. Look at all them calories. Alright y'all, just got done doing my cardio, and I just got done doing getting in the sauna shower. Basically what you do in the sauna shower is you close all the vents that's in the bathroom and make sure the vent isn't on, and then you turn the shower stall or whatever as hot as possible. Then you close the curtain, the shower curtain, and you just sit in it for as long as you possibly can. I sat in it for an hour. I was drained. I was sweating puddles of sweat. Alright, here's meal number 3. Alright y'all, got my almond milk. Got my light and fit Greek yogurt, 12 grams of protein, only 8 grams of carbs in the whole container. I got the yogurt in there, and since I don't have any bananas, I decided to use the banana cream yogurt, which is just as good and it's real good. Now I'm about to pour some cinnamon. shown to boost metabolism, or proven. That's why I'm putting this in here, and because it tastes good. Put a dab of honey. It's up here. Put a few dabs of honey in. There we go. And finally, the Vice Shake powder. Links in the description in case you want to try some. Boom. I'm gonna add one more scoop so I can have more protein and more fiber. There we go. Oh, I can't forget my stevia. Get this spoon out. Put a few scoops in here. After this, I'm ready to blend. Boom. And oh yeah, one more thing. Gotta have the ice, baby. Gotta have the ice. Okay, there we go. See how this tastes. Yeah, it's good. Next meal coming up. Make me a bacon omelet with jalapenos and red bell peppers and fat-free cheddar cheese. And 6 eggs with only 3 yolks. I love low carb days because of this right here. Stop the pan of bacon grease. Spray the calorie-free canola oil on. Now I'm about to pour the egg beaters on in. Got the fat-free cheddar in here. And I'm about to put these bell peppers and jalapenos in. And now the bacon. See, I cut my omelet into 4s so it'll be easier to flip. Boom. Here is my last meal. Bacon, egg white, egg omelets. It looks good. And the reason why I did I cut it is because I had too much of a bad experience trying to flip the whole omelet over. So I just figured, hey, why not just cut it? So I made it easier and just cut it and just stack them when I got done. So yeah, that's my last meal of the day. Hope y'all like the video. Go ahead and like it, share it, and that's it. Top Flight out.